In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a webcam to your PC for use in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using a laptop with a built-in webcam, an external USB camera, or a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera, I'll guide you through the process to ensure your video quality is top-notch for all your meetings or calls. First, let's start with the basics. If you have a laptop, you're in luck because you already have a webcam built into your device, so no extra steps are needed. However, if you're using an external USB camera, such as the popular Logitech models, simply plug it into one of your computer's USB ports. For those of you using a professional camera, you'll need a capture card, like the Elgato Camlink, or use the webcam utility software provided by your camera's manufacturer. After you've set up your camera, our next step is to make sure it's detected by your computer. On Windows 10 or 11, navigate to Settings, then to Devices, and finally to Bluetooth and Devices, where you'll find the Camera section. For Mac users, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally Camera. Double check your camera is listed here and not blocked by any privacy settings. With your camera detected, let's move on to setting it up in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once you're in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu and navigate to the Devices section. Here, you'll be able to select your preferred camera from a drop-down list under the Camera section. Simply choose your desired camera. Perhaps it's a Logitech HD webcam or Camlink 4K. And you will see a live preview of your video feed, allowing you to ensure everything looks good. Before jumping into a meeting, it's always a smart idea to test your setup. Within Teams settings, make a test call. Check for important factors such as lighting, camera angle, and overall video clarity. Take this opportunity to adjust your setup if necessary to achieve the best possible video quality. Finally, when it's time for a meeting, ensure your camera is enabled on the pre-join screen by toggling the camera switch. Teams will remember this selection for future calls, saving you time. If you find the need to switch cameras during a meeting, simply click on the More option, which looks like 3 dots, and head into the device settings to make your adjustments on the fly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to help you connect your webcam for Microsoft Teams. Whether you're gearing up for a business call or a casual chat, you can now be confident in your video setup. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel ready to present your best self in your next Teams meeting.